Hey everyone, this is Justetech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can jailbreak the passcode or a disable iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch running on the iOS 12.5.3 that is currently latest version for the older devices that support iOS 12. And it's very simple to jailbreak, no need to pay to anything, it's completely free method. All you have to do is you need to just follow me and just like this video for supporting my channel. So without wasting any more time, let's jump to the computer screen and start this process. Now the first thing, you will require a Mac operating system. If you have a MacBook then it's good, but if you are on Windows machine or you are a Windows user, you can try the Hackintosh method to install the Mac on your Windows machine. So you can watch that Hackintosh videos and easily install Mac on your Windows machine. Now the next thing, you will need the Checkra1n RG patch version, that is the 0.12.2 patch version. Now to download this file, it's very simple. You just need to check the description where you will find my blog link. Now here you will get all the important links and other videos links also, so you can check my blog for daily updates. Now after the download, you have to just simply install the Checkra1n just like you did in the official version. So there is no different, you just simply install it on your system. Now you can run the Checkra1n directly. Now the next thing, you have to turn off your device completely. So I will show you step by step like how you can actually jailbreak the disable screen or a passcode screen. Now at the time of connect, you will see some little vibration and it will directly not detect by the Checkra1n or the iTunes because it's having the passcode or a lock screen that doesn't allow you to connect the USB directly. So first you need to turn off your device completely, and after that just remove the cable. Now just insert the cable and press the home button. At the time of the Apple logo will appear. Now your device will be directly get into the DFU mode and you can see the iTunes also pop up, so just close that, and on the Checkra1n screen you will see your iPhone 6 is connected in the recovery mode. Now next thing, you have to go to the option and allow the verbose boot and the safe mode and then click on next. Now just simply start jailbreak your device. Normally you have to press your button combination to put your device into the DFU mode, so just follow the instruction on the screen. Now you can see on the screen it's showing all done, that means the jailbreak is completely done. Now this is my own device and I know the original passcode of the device. For you showing you and for the testing purposes, I show you the disable screen and the other steps, but I know the original passcode. So I will wait for the 15 minutes and fast forward the video. After that I will unlock my device and show you the jailbreak is actually working or not. Now after the 15 minutes, the disable screen is gone. Now I will unlock my device and show you the Checkra1n loader is there or not, and it's completely working. Now let me type my passcode, because if the jailbreak succeed, you can easily do the activation file copy from any tool and you can unlock your device permanently with the calls data. And as you can see that the Checkra1n loader is here, so you can easily install the Cydia and everything will work. So this is how you can jailbreak your passcode or a disable iOS 12.5.3 devices. And this trick is only for the iOS 12 devices. Like other device like iPhone 6s and 7 Plus for iOS 14.5.1, this trick will not work, so don't apply it. And if you are on iOS 14.4 on the 6s, watch this video, it will help you out. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.